In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to iCloud on your iPhone. If you're setting up a new device or just need to reconnect your iCloud account, follow these simple steps and you'll be up and running in no time. First, start by locating and opening the Settings app on your iPhone. The Settings app is typically found on your home screen and you'll recognize it by the icon that looks like a set of grey gears. Tap on it to open the app. Once you're in the Settings app, take a look at the very top of the screen. Here you'll see an option that says Sign into your iPhone. Tapping this will allow you to begin the process of accessing your iCloud account. It's straightforward, but it's important to make sure you're tapping the correct option to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your Apple ID and password. Remember, these are the credentials that are specifically linked to your iCloud account, so make sure you have them handy. This step is crucial for the security and accessibility of your data, as your Apple ID is your key to a variety of Apple services, not just iCloud. Double check your details for any typos to avoid any login issues. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, which is a great security measure, you'll need to take an additional step. Keep an eye on your trusted device or phone number, where you'll receive a 6-digit verification code. This code is an extra layer of security designed to protect your account. Enter the code when prompted on your iPhone to complete the authentication process. Once you've successfully entered all the necessary information and the verification code, if required, you can breathe a sigh of relief because you're almost done. Your iCloud is now active, and you should be automatically signed in without any hassle. The moment you sign in, iCloud will kick into action and begin to synchronize your data, ensuring that your photos, documents, app data, and more are available across any of your Apple devices. This seamless sync is one of the great benefits of using iCloud, as it keeps everything up to date and backed up. And there you have it. Signing into iCloud on your iPhone couldn't be easier. With just a few taps and a little bit of patience, you've ensured that your important data is safely stored in the cloud and accessible from anywhere. Remember, keeping your Apple ID credentials secure and enabling two-factor authentication are excellent practices to protect your personal information. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.